welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok live option is not showing and how to get live option on TikTok. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your TikTok and from here you click on plus icon. From here you easily show live option, but in this video live option is not showing. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and update your TikTok account. Search for this TikTok app, click on this, wait some second, and from here you make sure that update your TikTok account. After update your TikTok account, go back your home screen and open your TikTok and click on profile icon, and from here you make sure that your followers 1k plus, and after that get a screenshot, and after that click on three lines and click on setting and privacy. Click on this, scroll down and click on report a problem, and from here you scroll down and click on live option, and from here click on my live ending automatically. Click on this, and click on no option and click on need more help, and from here explain your problem. Hello TikTok team, my live option is not showing, and send screenshot. After that click on submit. After submit, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.